Meet the VMAX-550, the high-performance propane torch built for power, versatility, and ease of use. Whether you're a grill master looking for the ultimate grill gun or sous vide torch, an outdoor enthusiast in need of the perfect fire starter, or an industrial pro tackling heavy-duty jobs, this delivers the reliable flame you need. It's one tool for multiple applications. The VMAX-550 comes with two Easy-Change Nozzles, letting you switch between focused grilling and high-output industrial flames in seconds. An 8-inch short nozzle creates a focused flame, perfect for sous vide searing, grilling, and precision brazing. A 12-inch long nozzle creates a large flame, great for lighting charcoal, fire pits, controlled burns, softening asphalt, and thawing ice. Unlike other torches that require a second hand to fumble with extra lighters or dials, the VMAX-550 features a one-handed ignition. Just pull the trigger and you're ready to go. And when you're done, all you need to do is release the trigger. The flame instantly shuts off, making it safer and more fuel efficient than traditional torches. Another great feature of the VMAX-550 is its well-balanced design, making it easy to use and set down. Unlike other torches where you have to connect the gas to the handle and then they tip forward, the VMAX-550's center-mounted propane connection keeps it upright and stable for easy pickups and set-downs. And for added stability, use the included tank stand when working with a 14.1-ounce portable propane tank. If you need flexibility, the VMAX-550 grill gun and industrial torch is compatible with your standard portable propane tank for quick jobs, or a larger propane tank with the appropriate hose adapter for extended use, ideal for professionals working all day. Designed in the USA by Master Appliance, the VMAX-550 is the ultimate propane torch for both professionals and everyday users. Whether you're searing the perfect steak, lighting the grill, brazing metal, or tackling industrial tasks, this torch gets the job done. Get yours today and experience the difference of the VMAX.